Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to build a restaurant website. The website which you see is the final end website to which you are going to see after you follow the entire video. In this website, we have a home page, the logo in the center, and a contact us page. Then we have the description over here, a part of the information of the restaurant. And welcome to Vinayat, some most popular dishes, what people have to say, the testimonials, and then the hours of operation. So then we have this hours of operation been implemented back to the contact us page. So let us begin to how build this website. Now for this, you need to buy the Divi elegant themes. The link is in the description below, and that link gives you the best buy price. So go ahead and click on the link to purchase your theme package, and let's get started. So first, to download the theme, you need to go to the Divi elegant themes. So once you open this page, that is the elegant themes, the link is in the description. If you want to find it, you need to go to accounts and then go to my downloads. Once you go to my downloads, after you do the purchase of the subscription, whether it's for 1 year or lifetime, then you just click on download the Divi theme. Let me just go to my dashboard of WordPress and then click on appearance, themes, add new. I'm just going to say upload theme. I'm just going to choose the file which I have just downloaded, and here it is, the Divi, and I will just click on install now. Just wait for a couple of seconds and then it will unpack the packages. So once the theme has been installed, you just need to click on activate. Once you click on activate, it will be activated over here, and you can see Divi, which is the active theme, and you can just go ahead and delete the other ones. I mean the ones you won't be using. I'm just going to delete it so that to save some space. Then we need to do some initial settings that are very essential, and I recommend you to follow them also. So you need to head over to the settings page, that's general, and I'm just going to change my time zone to +5:30 because I live in India, and this is what I prefer. Then I'm going to change the date also, the format, Monday, and that's it. Then I'm going to click save changes. Next, we need to create two pages, that is the home page and the blog page initially. So let me just select these pages and just going to move them to the bin, apply. Okay. Then I click on pages, add new. Just go to name it as home, publish. Then I'm going to click add new once again, and then I'm going to write it as blog. Then you have to go to settings and reading, and then over here your home page displays, you have to change it to a static page. On the home page, you just select the home page which you have just created, and for the post you just click for the blog and post are one and the same, and you just click on save changes. Then you need to click on permalinks. Go to permalinks, and these are the initial settings that I prefer. Is the post name. That if you you want your post, your blog to have the date, then you can click on the month and name, and you can just check it out for yourself how it will appear. But I would prefer the post name, and I'm going to click on Save Changes. Now the most important part, we have to authenticate the theme. To do that, we have to go to Divi, head over to Divi, and then Theme Options. Then we need to click on the Updates. Here, you just have to put the username. Now the username, you have to go to Elegant Themes, your account, then go to username and API key, and then you copy your username and paste it into the theme, and also copy the API key. So I have pasted my username and API key. If you have taken the yearly access package from the Divi Elegant Themes, you can have generate only one API key and one username, which is for a single website. But if you take the lifetime access, the lifetime package, then you can create for n number of websites. You can generate like 1,000 or 100 API keys. And then click on Save Changes, and it will just validate. Then what you need to do is go to the pages and all pages, home, and here you see Edit with Divi. Click on it. Now you can just go and take a tour, or you can just say Start Building. I'm just going to click on Start Building because I'm familiar with Divi themes. And then you can choose the layouts over here. Now we have the choose a pre-made layout, so we are going to use this restaurant theme as a pre-made layout. So this is a pre-made layout by Divi themes. You can directly use it. So this is the front end of my website. Initially it looks something like this, and after changing the theme, it looks a blank page with the page home, the home page which you have created. Right now it's empty because we have not created or imported the layout or the template. So I'm going to say Browse Layouts. Then I'm going to type Restaurant. And then for the home page, I'm just going to go to the restaurant homepage, click on it, replace existing content, and then just going to say as use this layout. It's going to just import the layout. So once the layout is been imported, you will see the web page whichever you have selected. That's the home page. And then I'm just going to save it and open the domain where I have posted. So the restaurant which I'm planning on to build this website is for Vinayak Family Bar and Restaurant. So this is a local restaurant over here. So I'm just going to I'm going to copy all the content from Google, as the content and all the description, the images are already available there. So once I save, I go back to my domain, to my website, and I just click on refresh. I'm going to see the entire page. So right now, everything has been imported. So let me just go and change this content, some of this content over here, not all. You can just play with it later on. But before that, let me just show you about the blocks. So now, if I just hover over here, you see this is the purple section. Over here, you can create n number of sections that you want. You just click on this purple color plus sign, and then you can create a regular section or a full width. You can just explore this. the way you want. This is one entire section, so this was this particular section over here. Let me just go ahead and cancel this. Let me just go ahead and just change the content over here. So I'm going to go to this Zomato, like the style, just copy the content, the name to save my time. Just go to like, no, this is like just a regular editing theme. So basically using the Divi builder, you can just change the content. You can directly just select it and paste it. Okay, or you can just go right click, sorry, or you can just hover on this, and this is the element. So the element, you just need to click on the settings and then go below here. As you can see, only quality full. Let me just change it to the restaurant name, and it's been done. Let me just go back over here and copy the description. I'm sure that's, oh yes, something is there for me over here. Right now, let me just go ahead and just copy one of this portion from here. I think this is fine. I can just triple click on it, on the description, and I can just paste it up over here, and that's done. So in case you see a black color space over here, what you need to do is first click on the outside, and then you need to just remove this. You can see, you will see the sign changes, the cursor changes. Just go it to 0. Actually, it's because for this section. Then once you are done changing, you can just change the content over here also to whatever you want. Like you can just go ahead and replace this picture. Click on settings. You can just delete this picture from here, and then you're gonna add an image. You can just go to your media library, so some 3 pictures, and then you can just either upload from here, okay, or you can also go to the media library and just select one, maybe this picture over here, whichever one you want. You can just click on upload, and that's so simple. Now all the content you see over here, you can just click on it, change it to whatever you want. Welcome to Royal, I'm going to say welcome to Vinayak. So you can just change the content whatever you want. You can just play around. Okay, so now we have built the home page. Now in case you don't want the testimonials to be there, you can delete. So now you can see there are 3 colors over here. That is the module, the row settings, how many rows you want, and then the section. Over here also you can just go ahead and change the details like to whatever timing you want to, and then you can also create this newsletter or change this to something better. Let me just show you some of the essential settings now. Let me just click on save, and I go to my front end of the website, and I just refresh this page over here. Okay, and then I have this crazy Vinayak and restaurant and bar. So now I see that this portion over here, I need to have some more spacing up there. So what I'm going to go to the backend, to my Divi builder, and then I click on settings. If you go to design, we need to go to design, padding, and then for the top, I need to add some space there. So let me just go ahead. I think 1 pixel is fine. I think 1 pixel is fine. And bottom, I'm just going to reuse some of it to make it very looking crispy. let me just go to the front end and see my website. Okay, so this is how it looks first. Then I'm just going to go ahead and click on this tick mark and then save. I'm just going to just wait for this. Go to the front end and refresh, and you can see this, the alignment is just perfect. Now let me go ahead and change the welcome to Vinayak. Okay, let me give some more information over here. So I'll go back to my my web page, making way for the hospital, blah blah blah. Let me just copy this and let me go to the Divi builder, and I'm just going to go below here, and I'm just going to double click, triple click, select all, Control A, or you can just go over on the description and click on the settings. Okay, and then I'm going to paste it up over here, so you can see you can just change the text over here. So let me just remove the dollar part over here, the dollar portion, and just let me just select this. Okay, and then drill fillet. Okay, the king crab and the chicken breast is over here. So instead, I'm going to go to Google and just put on the chicken fried rice. This is very popular in India, or the chicken lollipops. So let me just go ahead and just go to images. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this image, probably this one maybe. Or one, so I think this is fine. So let me just go ahead and save this, and I'm going to put in that one. Just go to name it as, I'm going to create a folder in my downloads named as Vinayak. I'm going in over here, save the JPEG. Yep. So then I'm going to go back to my front end side portion, and I'm going to click on the section over here. But before that, let me just go ahead and click on this particular icon over here. So now I'm going to go to this particular section, then I'm going to this particular row, and then I'm going to go. So this is the first row over here, which has 3 sections inside a row. And then I'm going to go to the second one. You can see if I click on, if I hover onto the mover row, you can see this entire green color round around it. So that is the particular row. I'm going to click on the settings, and then of course the first one, the image. Let's change the image. I'm going to click on settings, and then I'm going to background. And then I'm going to go head over to background. Then I'm going to delete this image, and I'm going to add a new image. We click on upload files, select the image which I have downloaded into my Vinayak folder, and then I'm just going to click on open, and then just click on upload new image. As you can see over here, the image has been uploaded. Okay, I'm just going to click on save changes. Then I'm going to go back to my Google, and then go to select this, copy chicken lollipops, and just go to my front end Divi builder once again. Okay, then I need to click on save for this part. So this is done right now. So this, I'm going to go back to my the text over here, click on settings, or you can directly not on this, because we are also going to change the title, so we need to click on the title. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on the settings, and then let's change it over here. It's going to be chicken lollipops. Chicken lollipop. Just going to go ahead and click on save, and then I need some description. And then I'm just going to copy some of this content from here. and then go to backend once again. Then select all, paste it up over here. Yep, that's it. So you see that it's responsive and dynamic. Since the content increase, the images increase also, and you can also reduce it if you want to. I think this is better, whatever it can be. I'm just going to go ahead and delete all these dollar prices over here because I don't require them. And then same over here. Okay, so I think this is better. So I'm going to actually go ahead and change all of this over here right now. So the next one will be, tandoori. Let me go ahead and click on chicken tandoori. So let me just copy the name, the title. Let me just go to the backend. Okay, I'm going to, and then I'm going to click on settings, and I'm just going to change this to chicken tandoori chicken, and I'm going to click save. Copy the description from, I'm just stealing the content from everywhere. Okay, and then I'm just going to click select all and paste it up over here. Then I'm also going to change the image. Let me just go to images and select for a nice tandoori image over here. So let me think. I think this is fine, or maybe I think the better one will be this. Okay, so I'm just going to save it, and I'm just going to name it as 2 Vinayak folder, save it. Okay, then I'm going to go to the front end, to my Divi builder. Then I'm going to my section settings, that is the row settings, and go to column, and then I'm just going to go back over here, click on this, and then background, then delete and add a new image, and just upload my new image, that is the chicken tandoori. Okay, and I'm just going to click on save, and that's it. And now for the last section, I'm going to put up over here another dish of chicken, that is chicken kebabs. I'm a fan of chicken, so I'm just going to put all of chicken over here. Chicken kebab. Okay, let me just, since I'm in the images section, let me just go ahead and directly save one of these images over here, and I think this is fine. Save 3. Okay, and the save it, go to the Divi builder, and I'm just going to go ahead to the row settings, click on it, the third column and the background, and just delete it. And I'm just going to use the chicken. I'm going to upload the image that I have just downloaded, the chicken kebabs, and I'm just going to upload image, save it. Okay, and I'm just going to change the description over here. So let me just go to all, and let me just I thought Wikipedia would be some shortcut over here. Anyways, okay, so chicken kebab. So let me just go to the front end, select this, click on it, chicken kebab. Chicken kebabs. Okay, let's put some description over here. Let me just make it a complete website. So I'm just going to go ahead and just copy this part from here. Just going to go back to my website. I can just triple click on this, select all, and paste it up over here, and just click on save. So now we have the section for the dishes already ready. Okay, so let me just go to the front end and refresh my page. Let me see what do I have over here. Okay, so let me just go ahead and remove these two buttons from here. So I'm going to go hover on these items over here, and button 1, that's view more, and the button 2, let me just go ahead and remove this part from here, 1 and button 1. Okay, I'm just going to go and say save. I need to actually, okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and save it for you. And then let me just go front end of my page, and I'm going to just refresh. Okay, let me just change the image over here to one of the Vinayak's restaurant pictures. So let me just go ahead and select this image from here, and since this is Vinayak, one of the Vinayak pictures, I'm just going to save this image, and I'm just going to name it 5 and save it. Go to the front end, go down here, just click on settings, delete this, add a page, add an image, select the image that I just downloaded, open and upload. And I'm going to go ahead and click on save. As you can see, the size has changed, but that doesn't matter. You can just play around with the sizes over here. Just click on settings, go to advanced, and then you just go to the transformation, the position, the content, the image. How do I change the size? Okay, then you need to go to design and the sizing. As you can see over here, the image size has changed. You can, readjust it or something by just clicking on the settings, go to the design, and then the sizing. You can just play around and see what size best suits for you. So the width, the height, whatever. Okay. So I think that was fine, whatever was there earlier. Okay. Then the testimonials. Once again, you can just play around with the testimonials over here. Let me just go ahead and just going to, I'll copy some of the reviews from Google. So when I am a restaurant and bar, go to the reviews section over here, view all Google reviews. I'm just going to go ahead and copy my review itself. Okay, and I'm going to go over here and click on settings. Okay, and over here, the Divi will be my name itself, restaurant Rodriguez. Okay, let me just undo that. Okay, let me just paste it up, copy this, make it normal. Okay, and then also what I typed over here, that's best place to be. Okay, just work on my review. Then let me just go ahead and paste it up over here in particular quotes, and that's it. A great fine, the best place to get is great fine. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, then I'm going to change the other quote also to make it look very professional. Okay, and this is by Rajesh Chaudhary. Then just go and click on settings. Just go to paste it in my Windows search. Just select it and copy. Okay, and then I will just paste it up over the below. Okay, why I don't directly copy paste it from my from the reviews is because if I just select and copy paste directly, it will copy the format and it will become something in blue color. But looks good maybe, but I don't prefer that way. Rajesh Chaudhary, and then do the comment that he has given. Copy. Okay, then I'm just going to go to the section guy over here. Oh my god, that's a good paragraph. Let me just skip that. I'm going to go for short reviews over here. Click on search console. Okay, copy it. Let me just paste it up over here. Okay, copy the review. And I'm just going to paste it up over here once again. Okay, and I'm just going to delete the headings currently out. Then I'm going to go to the last comment, the last review. I'm just going to go ahead and select this one. Maybe this is fine, but we'll try I'm just going to click on settings. Okay, settings. I'm just going to go first back to here. Okay, now not. Okay, then I'm just going to go ahead reasonable pricing and that stuff. And I'm just going to go ahead and place it up over here. So my testimonial section is ready. You can also reduce the size as I can see, once the expect portion over here. Remember, this is the section, this is the row. So the section height is 100 pixels set. Let me just reduce it to something around -50. So now it's fine. Okay. Earlier it was taken like this, but 100 pixels was bad, so 50 pixels are fine. Okay. And then you just go below and here of ours, let's just copy the dates, the times slots also. Uh, so what we need first is from when it opens. So open from Monday to Friday. It's open from Friday to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So it's open from Thursdays when I is closed, so it's going to be Thursday, so it's going to be open from Friday to Wednesday. Okay, so Friday to Wednesday. So I'm going to go right now, click on settings, and it's something opposite of you, Friday to Wednesday. I'm just going to go opens tomorrow at Thursday is closed and it goes from 12 to 3:30. So I'm done over here. Better off changing over here, faster for then night it's open from 7 to 10:30. That's one. And then we just go to there is one of these portions over here that Saturday we just go ahead and hit it. And Saturday is be on and instead of Sunday we just go on Thursday. And I'm just going to even replace this with something better, more informative way from yeah, that sounds better. That seems better. Okay. And then instead of this make a reservation, maybe I just list down the number that would be fine instead of having a booking or something like that. Okay. So I need not have to have this proper line, but then let me just consider it and I'm just going to delete this section, but then let me just go ahead and I can just drag and drop it to this portion part over here. Okay. The line. Okay, and I'm just going to add this down here. I was operation just going to reposition this, all of this, so I can just you can see I can just drag and drop it. So you just have to click on the over on the move module and just go back down. Okay. So you can just see, you can just play around with the then I think the spacing is too much over here, so it's going to be some of the the width, I mean to say the height. As you can see, once you see the two arrows somewhere, just go ahead and see the two arrows. This is the extra part over here. You just need to use that is your and that also for even for I'm just going to reduce this portion also. Okay, and then I think this is fine. Rubber the line. We could have another spacing over here. So let me go in the module and just click on the divider. Maybe not a divider, a spacer. There's something called a spacer, probably. Okay, no, it's a divider. So I'm going to click on the divider. Okay, so divider, I won't show that. I just untick it. Click on save. And instead of the make a reservation, I'm just going to delete it. Okay, and I'm just going to delete this section over here. I mean the model. I'm just going to delete since I don't require it. I don't feel that I require it. Oops. I'm going to click on the module and then to delete the section, I need to go back to the change column structure. And I'm going to change it to one single module, and that's it. So this is something I'm looking for. Probably I'm thinking of maybe listing down the phone number as well. You know. So let me just go ahead to my to Google and then just go click on cancel. Go to all. Let's copy this number from here. Go to the menu builder. Variable. Okay. Okay. So on here, enter. Go on the next line. I'm going to paste this number. Because on the sound seems a bit good, but then I'm going to paste the number and I'm going to paste +91. Okay, and this is the format. Let me just duplicate this, for the dropper line. I think I should just remove this from here, and I just need to enter this portion, paste it up over here. Okay, and I think that's fine. Okay, so maybe I remove the contactors also. That's not required. If you need it, we can display along with it. Okay, now you can see the spacing is extra over here. Okay, so just go ahead and click on save and let's see the front end of the website. Just refresh this page. Or come to Nile. Okay, I think there is extra space over here. So let's go here and remove it. How do I remove that? Okay, there is a section over here. So I just click on delete. I just click on save. Then I go back to my website front end. To my website and I'll refresh it and then it's just fine. This is just fine. Full menu. Okay, probably you can have the menu section over here. Maybe you can just mention over here must try and then the full menu are over here. Our operation that is fine. So let me just go ahead and now show you how to remove this, the search or the uncategorized, the home, log, whatnot. So for that, we need to also remove the section over here. We need to go to the customization of the website. So customization settings of the theme. So we need to click on go to dashboard. Then we go to appearance and customize. And we'll just go ahead and see. So once we can customize, we will be getting this. So we need to remove the search icon, this uncategorized menu from here. So for that, we need to go to the primary menu bar. I logo image. Okay, we will also change the vinyl to something like that, a new logo. But for that, we need to go to the front end. I mean, to the Divi dashboard, WordPress dashboard. Okay, so I go to my menu. I go to my menus, and I'm just going to create a new menu over here, the primary menu. Okay, and name for the menu one. Okay, click on next. New menu, and the new menu will be created over here. Um, add items. I'm going to add the home page, also the blog page. Okay, get home page, blog page. Okay, and then you see automatically uh, your menu will change. If you have some more pages over here, we'll be creating now the about us one separately if you want, but then it is all up to you. It is just a similar way. But I will be showing you one page how to do it. Then for that, similarly, you can create for the contact us also. That is going to click on publish. Okay, once it's published, we'll click on that. Then I'm going to go to the footer section. Okay, I'm just going to click on this link over here, and I'm just going to do the I just put a one, just remove, just remove, just cut also, and the matter also, since I don't require it. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and actually also going to remove this design by other things, and I'm just going to remove that also. Let me just go to the footer section, the layout, or not the layout, footer, footer elements, and then I'm going to go to the footer elements. Integers. If you want them, you can change it also. I will require it to the menu. Bottom bar, disable footer credits. So this is going to remove the credits. I'm going to publish this page. I just want to also remove the search icon from here. So I'm just going to go to header in navigation, header format. Let me just change the structure to center inline logo, that will bring logo that the logo and this vector in the center, just divide on seven. Okay, and let me just hide the logo also. It's going to say my work, but I'm going to show you how to change the logo also. Don't worry about it. And then I'm going to go to the data and navigation, data elements, remove the still search icon, click on publish. Then let me just go ahead and just copy this link and just go to the new page. Okay, so this is the website how we are going to see it. So right now this is a complete website. Let me just go and remove the full menu button from here also. So I'm going to go, click on enable visual builder. Okay, and then I'm going to go and go to this link full menu, and I'm going to delete it and delete this section also, and delete this section. Testing else, fine, fine, everything's fine. Okay, I think something is wrong with the spacing over here. No, it's fine. The spacing is totally fine. Let me just use the space over here, design, you know, spacing, top, bottom, top, padding, is it? Okay, no, that's not it. This is the spacing over here, just click on one back. Okay, I think that's fine. And then I'm going to go to click on the three dots, stay. So you can see over here, we are actually having a one-page website right now because we have the Vinayak and restaurant, the bar, the description, our story, blah blah blah. I'm just going to use some of the space maybe, no, that's fine. So I'll give it some of the products, testimonials, the hours of operation, and so. And I think for now we are done. You know, let me just go ahead and copy this name. And just let me go to see the content of the page. So this is how our website looks right now. A one-page complete website. Okay, so now I'm going to show you this, the blog section. Okay, Hmm. We have to remove this logo in the customization, under the theme. I will show you how to do that. But before that, let me just go ahead and click on blog. Okay, and then now you see this page is totally different. Now let's go ahead and change this page. Let's go ahead and go to new, and sorry, let's go ahead to the dashboard. Once we go back to the dashboard, we're going to go to our pages, that's the blog. Okay, and then we're going to click on blog. Okay, so let me just go to the front end first and let me just show you something. Okay, so this is the sidebar. I do not want the sidebar to be there, available on my screen. So I'm going to go to the back end of my website. I'm going to go to all pages. Okay, and I'm going to go to mhm. Then I'm going to I'm going to go to all pages, and then I'm going to go to okay, this is a bit confusing. Default title, blank template, let me update this. Okay, then we refresh the page. So now to change the blog, we need to go to the customization. Okay, and the customization we have to go to the dashboard, then we go to appearance, customize, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the blog, the post. Okay, and I'm going to click on blog first. Okay, and I'm just going to click on this icon, this edit bar over here, and just click on remove, and remove. In fact, for a normal restaurant, I think you should not have a blog page also. If you want, you can just go ahead and create one for yourself. Otherwise, you can always go back to my channel, and I think I'll create another separate section for this blog page. Okay, so let me just go ahead and click on the cancel and go to my pages, and I'm just going to go ahead and delete this blog page. Just go to go here and move to pin, apply, go back to my front end. See the page is deleted? Yes, the page is deleted. Okay, I think we should also have the contact us page over here. So for the contact us page, we need to go and create a new page and say as contact us, and I'm going to click on publish. Then I'm going to go ahead. If I refresh my website, I won't see the contact us, but probably that's because we need to add the menu here. So we need to go to the backend, menus, then we need to go to appearance, then menus, then I'm going to delete this blog page, which is already deleted, and then I'm going to click contact us and add to menu. It's going to be added. I'm going to save the menu. The recent pages you can also create, your custom links also. Going back to go back to the. So now for the logo, let me just go ahead and just create a logo. Just go to open source, go to like add new, and I'm going to create this page right now very quickly. I mean the Vinayak restaurant, right? Vinayak restaurant and family and bar. So I'm going to Vinayak restaurant, family and bar. VRFP. So that's my short name. Then I'm just going to go to one of my bold Vinayak restaurant, family and bar. Okay. Yeah, I'm just too lazy and I don't want to waste much time. So I'm just going to give this guys to some of the how to pictures probably. I think that's fine. Whatever. 500 pieces. I'm just going to give it some dark gray color. I'm just going to export this. Because I just want to show you how to, you have a logo, how to choose a logo. So you have to choose a logo, then click on export, RC, and OK, then I go back to the logo, I mean my front end, then I just click on then I need to go back to my dashboard. Then after I'm back to my dashboard, I'm going to go to theme options, and then the logo, you see, I just need to click on upload logo, and select the logo, on set as, blah blah blah, and click on save changes. Then I'm just going to go on content and just refresh my web page and see how the logo appears. Probably it won't because we have changed it into the customization settings, but then we see that we are active. Okay, so let me just go ahead and change that also. Just go to the dashboard back again, and then let me just go to appearance, customize. Then I'm going to go to hidden navigations, primary menu bar, and I'm just going to untick the hide image logo, and then you're going to see the VRF view here, and it's pretty cool. Okay, so let me just show you how to build the contact us page. So let me just go ahead to the front end section and just refresh the page and check what comes up. I think we are pretty cool over here. Yeah, we are pretty good. Let me just go and just import this hours of operation into the contact us page. How we do that? Go back to our dashboard, and then we need to click on pages. Before that, let me once again go to my front end Divi builder and save that as a template so we can just use it to directly click on the enable viewer builder, and then it will load up for you. And we'll go to the bottom part over here, and I'm just going to go over to this section. Okay, and just go to and save this. Let's save the library, just name it as font factors. So this way you can use the entire section anywhere on any of the web pages, on any of the web pages. Going to go back to the pages, contact us, I'll say we edit with Divi, and it's going to load up for me, and since right now we don't have anything over here,
Let's go ahead and start with. Then I'm going to click on the green bar here, not the row, but then on the blue color one, I would say add from library and then contact us, and then edit. I'm just going to delete this one over here, and then we are done. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on save, and there you go. We have our complete website ready. So I'm just going to go and click on exit visual window. So that's going to take towards the contact page, and we have everything ready for us, the home and the contact. Okay, I think this is pretty cool, and this is a simple website where you can just create. Well, I think I will stop right over here, and thank you for watching this video. If you have not bought the subscription, the TV page builder, or the TV elegant things, then just check out the description. There is a link there below how to purchase your DV package. I mean, how to purchase the link below to purchase your DV subscription. So, thank you so much for watching this video.